Welcome to this video, which is about the formula when some objects do not change their order. With digit 1, 2, 3, we can form 6 numbers if we use each digit once. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. In how many of them 1 and 3 do not change their order? 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2 and 2, 1, 3. Look, in all these cases, the digit 1 and 3 do not change their order. The 3 come after 1. So, if we form the number with digit 1, 2 and 3, within those numbers, there are 3 numbers in which the digit 1 and 3 do not change their order. Let's see what happens if we form number with digit 1, 2 and 1. In this case, we get 3 numbers, that is 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 1, which is equal to the previous result 3. Those digits which do not change their order, if we consider them as same digit, we get the required result. So, the formula is consider those objects as same which do not change their order. For example, how many 4-digit number can be formed with digit 1, 2, 3, 4 where the even digit do not change their order? The solution, so according to the formula, we have to consider the even digit are of same kind. In this case, consider 2, 2 or 2, 4. Now, we have 4 digits where 2 are same kind. So, the permutation value is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is 12. So, if we form number with digit 1, 2, 3, 4, where the even digit do not change their order and each digit used once in a number, we get result which is 12. In how many arrangement of the letters of the word mathematics, the vowel do not change their order? Solution, we have to find those arrangements where the vowel A, E, A, I maintain this order. That is, after A, the letter E, then letter A, then letter I. According to the formula, we have to consider all the vowels as one type of letter. For example, consider as A. So the permutation value is 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Here, the 11 factorial is for 11 letter in the word mathematics, and this 4 factorial is for 4 vowel. In this case, we have to consider all the vowel as same type letter. That's why this 4 factorial. And this 2 factorial is for 2m and this 2 factorial is for 2t. So the final value, which is 415800.